Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got another bad digital watch face, and I'm telling you people, the developers have really been doing a great job on the creativity of these digital watch faces. Now, this one here is no exception. I thought GS Watch Faces got down on this one. The name of the watch face is called GS Digital 2. I'm loving the layout. I'm loving the design of this watch face, and I'm giving them 3 thumbs up in the door for the design of this watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, I love the look for the Gears 3. It's pretty much gonna look the same as if the watch face is on, but I really like that look. Now, for the Gears 2, you're gonna get a nice look as well. I thought it looked awesome. It's gonna look different from that of the Gears 3, but again, you'll be able to see your digital time at a glance with no problem. All right, but looking at the watch face when it's on, I'm telling you people, the layout, the look of this watch face looks awesome. It really stands out. Up at the top, you will get your month, your date. You get a nice moon phase. You will get the days of the week, and it's gonna highlight the day to let you know what day of the week it is. You get a nice big bold animated seconds. You get the name of the watch face along with the name of the developer right there. You get your steps, heart rate, and you also get your calories burned, and down at the bottom you get a nice big bold digital time people, and your battery percentage. And it's, of course, I hang on low cell all the time. You know me. Now you can also customize the theme of this. Now you're going to get 10 themes in all. If you tap right here on the name of the watch face, you'll be able to customize the theme to a few different things that's gonna look awesome. Give the watch face a totally different look for the most part, but I thought it was pretty cool of the developer to add it. Now you're gonna get 10 of these, remember that. Now also you can customize the color, so if I tap on the date, I could customize the color theme to 12 different color themes and all, and they all look nice people. They go pink for the ladies, and orange for everybody else. I love that blue. That blue really stands out. The video isn't going to do it justice because it's a lot darker in person, but I thought this was an awesome look. But at the end of the day, people, it is all about you and what you think. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy your weekend.